Is milkweed poisonous? Have you ever wondered about the safety of milkweed, especially when it comes to planting it for insect conservation? This plant is often celebrated for its role in supporting monarch butterflies, but there is more to the story. Let's break it down. Milkweed is a group of plants known for their milky sap and their importance as the primary host for monarch butterfly caterpillars. When we think about insect conservation and habitat restoration, understanding milkweed's toxicity is essential. Milkweed contains toxic compounds called cardinalides, which are a type of cardiac glycoside. Some species also have neuroxins. These chemicals serve as a defense mechanism against herbivores. They can be harmful or even lethal to many animals if ingested. All parts of the milkweed plant, including leaves, stems, flowers, and roots, are considered poisonous. For most mammals, including pets and livestock, consuming milkweed can lead to serious health issues. These can include vomiting, weakness, irregular heartbeat, and even seizures. In severe cases, it can be fatal. The plant's bitter taste usually keeps animals from eating it, but hungry animals may still consume it if they have limited food options. Now, what about reptiles and amphibians? Generally, these animals do not eat milkweed, so direct poisoning is rare. However, if they were to ingest it, they could experience toxic effects similar to those seen in mammals. Fortunately, documented cases of this happening are uncommon. Insects have a unique relationship with milkweed. Monarch butterfly caterpillars have adapted to tolerate milkweed toxins and even store them in their bodies. This adaptation makes them unappealing to predators, giving them a survival advantage. Other insects associated with milkweed, like certain beetles and bugs, have also developed resistance to these toxins. For these insects, milkweed is not poisonous but rather a vital resource for their survival. When planting milkweed for insect conservation, it is important to consider its toxicity. While it is essential for monarch conservation and supports various pollinators, it should be planted in areas where it will not pose a risk to pets, livestock, or sensitive wildlife. In summary, milkweed is poisonous to many animals, but for certain insects, especially monarch butterflies, it is a safe and critical host plant. When restoring habitats for insect conservation, focus on placing milkweed where it benefits target species without posing risks to other wildlife. Always keep the broader ecological context in mind when introducing milkweed into new environments.